Okay, so I'm making this animation to show you what I have in mind for the assembly. I hope that's clear enough what I mean. So let me sort of rotate you through the model version so you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so step one is nothing there, as you can see. So this is the place where we're looking from, and this is the elevator. It's a small gap that we have to build our frame. So I think I'm going to keep it's the same. I think it's going to be good enough. So the first frame we're going to put is the frame that's going to be closest to the audience. So first we put the pulley at the top, an anchor point, however you want to call it, and a lift point, and then we position the frame right there. Okay, so that's the first part. Then we lift it, and then we start to attach the works. We attach the works, and then what you can do is that we lift the frame in place. So the frame is there. As you can see, the idea being that we can put it closer to the audience, and this is at the floor level. And the next step is once this one is well attached and secured, then we bring the second 1 by 3. So this is the bigger frame. And then repeat the same thing. We lift it up after we attach the headphones. And once we have attached it, then we can lift it to its final place. So this is what we got in the end. We only need 2 tables, 2 anchor points at the very top. And we can get the advert to be closer to the audience. We can have one frame. We can say the top here. One is 3 by 1, and the other one is 2 by 1. So that should be simple enough to manage. We can get a bigger installation and have a bit more depth. So 2 at the front, smaller, and more broad and wide at the back, 3 by 1. Okay, so this is just an idea, but I think the advantage of this is here we only need 2 anchor points at the top of the pulley, and in my opinion, that should be quite easy. If you don't have a pulley, what we can do is that we can also sort of hang the frame higher and attach with the work, and then attach by the 4 corners if you prefer that way. What I'm trying to argue is basically saying instead of bringing each module 1 by 1, what we could do is that we could make a large 2 frames, attach all the modules, connect them to each other so they don't swing around, and we lift up the whole structure so we make sure that everything is well aligned. Okay. I think then you guys decide, but we know that our goal is to make it easy to lift up, easy to make maintenance and modification, and if you need to do any work on installation in the future, it should be so not too much of a struggle. So thank you so much for your hard work, and wish you a good weekend. Bye.